quick no-bake dessert with lots of chocolate. Take 1 pack of biscuits. Grind the biscuits in a blender and put them in a bowl. Mix the biscuits with melted butter. Add Nutella and mix a little. Pour in milk and mix well. Shape a base from this mixture on the plastic wrap. Whip the cream with powdered sugar until you get a firm cream. Add condensed milk and mix the cream until smooth. Spread the biscuit base with cream. Peel 2 bananas. Place the bananas on one edge and roll tightly. Chill the roll for 2 hours. Boil the water in a saucepan. Melt the dark chocolate in a double boiler for 5 minutes. Pour the melted chocolate into a perforated plastic mold. Drizzle the plastic wrap with dark chocolate. Melt the white chocolate in a double boiler, 5 minutes. Drizzle the dark chocolate layer with white chocolate. Coat the roll in melted chocolate. Chill for 30 minutes. Boil the milk with sugar, cocoa, vanilla essence, dark chocolate. Pour the hot chocolate into the cup. Decorate with whipped cream. Shave chocolate. If you want to impress the family with a delicious and quick dessert, this roll with lots of cream and bananas is the perfect solution.